Turn on AirDrop on iPhone. If you've ever wanted to send photos, videos, or files between Apple devices quickly and easily, AirDrop is the way to go. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on AirDrop on your iPhone, so let's get started. First, we'll need to access the control center. Just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. If you have an iPhone with the home button, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. In the control center, you'll see a bunch of options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Do Not Disturb. Look for the AirDrop icon. Here, as you can see, is the one with the blue circle with a triangle inside. Just go ahead and tap on that. And here you'll find AirDrop settings. Simply tap on everyone for 10 minutes. Now, you'll see these options. Now here you can simply share files with someone outside your contacts, and once you've chosen your AirDrop visibility settings, simply swipe up or down to close the control center. Now AirDrop is turned on and ready to use. And that's it, you've successfully turned on AirDrop on your iPhone.